rice flakes milk smoothie or Winter Melon rice flakes milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the healthy smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the Winter Melon recipes and one of the most unique of the rice flakes recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the vegetable smoothie recipes. We are going to make Winter Melon rice flakes milk smoothie. We have taken around 100 to 150 grams of winter melon. We can either use fresh winter melon or boil it in water for 15 to 20 minutes. Around 50 grams of rice flakes, around 50 grams of sugar. Put in the winter melon pieces. Put in the sugar and the rice flakes. Close and grind well. Open. Now pour in 300 ml of milk. Close and blend well. Now the winter melon rice flakes milk smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Now pour the mixture into the glass. Final winter melon rice flakes milk smoothie or winter melon rice flakes milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice flakes recipes and one of the most unique of the milkshake recipes and one of the most unique of the healthy smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the winter melon recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the notification button.